Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ADV Mukesh. Today we are discuss about the internship opportunity which is out from National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. This is a kind of internship which can provide you weight in your CV. National Institute of Social Defense NIST internship seeks to engage students pursuing graduate, postgraduate, researcher enrolled in recognized university institution within India. These interns shall be given exposure to various divisions within NEST such as senior citizens care, drug abuse, other social defense issues. The internship would be unpaid. The objective of this scheme, I mean, exposure you get while getting the internship to allow young academic talent to be associated within the NEST work for mutual benefit. The interns shall have an opportunity to know about the functions of the different divisions of NEST and their programs and policies, etc., to provide an opportunity for the officer of the authority to interact with young thinking minds from reputed institutions, as ideas from budding scholars will prove to be of importance for policy and planning inputs, to provide a framework to students by which their educational experience is enhanced and support the work of NEST through practical work assignment. The period of internship shall be at least 4 weeks but not exceeding 3 months. Interns not completing the requisite period will not be issued any certificate. Interns shall be present in the office hours 9:30 am to 6 pm in all working days. For experience, if director desires, intern may travel for field work, field experience. A certificate regarding successful completion of internship shall be provided. Procedure and condition for applicants. Interested applicants shall apply online for internship program. Applicants must clearly indicate the area of interest. A candidate can apply for internship only once during a financial year. The applicants who do not fulfill the eligibility condition, their application shall be rejected by the competent authority. The selected applicant has to produce letter of recommendation from the college institution at the time of joining, failing which his her candidature shall be cancelled. Annexure 2, which is compiled in this document, I will disclose with you at the end of the video. Okay. Fluency in English or Hindi is desirable for internship. NEST holds the power to deny the internship without any explanation. If NISD finds any misconduct of intern during internship, his her internship will be terminated without giving any prior notice. Timeline of application. Application received till 25 of each month shall be allowed for subsequent month's internship. Attendance. While doing internship in NEST, the candidate should have a minimum of 80% attendance and they have to mark in and out time on daily basis. In case of less than 80% attendance, no extension of internship period is allowed and no experience certificate will be issued. The attendance record and the details of work supervision shall be maintained by the head of the division. This is your core sector you may mention while you applying. This is your recommendation letter. You may click your screenshot and draft as per your convenience. Okay, thank you. And now I'm going to share link how to apply for these opportunities. मैं ये लिंक पिन कर दूंगा कमेंट सेक्शन में, आप वहाँ से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे ही आप लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो इस तरह का सरफेस खुलेगा. एप्लीकेशन फॉर इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम आपकी ईमेल या अपने आप फैच कर लेगा. यहाँ पे आपको अपना नाम डालना है, सेक्स डालना है, फादर मदर नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, नेशनैलिटी, आधार कार्ड नंबर, अपने कॉलेज का नाम, अपना एड्रेस, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, एजुकेशनल educational qualification, in which area you want to do internship, briefly explain why you are interested for applying to the NEST internship। यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा केयरफुली ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पे आपको स्पेसिफिकली ड्राफ्ट करना पड़ेगा वाई आर यू वांट टू ग्रैब दिस इंटर्नशिप। ओके, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन हाउ योर एरिया ऑफ स्टडी मैचेस विद NEST ऑब्जेक्टिव। आपकी इंटर्नशिप डेट किस मंथ में और किस डेट को आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, आपका CV, आपकी फ़ोटोग्राफ, और यहाँ पे आप डिक्लेरेशन पे ओके करके सबमिट कर देंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर दें चैनल को एंड शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों और फैमिलीज़ के साथ, और कमेंट करके बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। थैंक यू।